Hello everyone, welcome back to this video series on how to create or how to design a architect website step by step with free Elementor. We have done designing the home page. Now let's design the about us page. It is not complicated, it is simple. It consists of 4 sections here: about us and picture about the company and team, then few frequently asked questions. Of course, we can also count these uh, affiliated or associated brands. Okay, so let's go to pages. About us, edit with Elementor. Okay, and to column section, vertical line middle, background color of this page white. Okay, and let's insert padding to this section, about 100 at the top, 100 at the bottom. Okay, and here what we can do, video. Okay, model pop-up. Okay, we do not have model video player. It is available in the Sena extension for Elementor or other add-ons, but here in the live mesh add-ons for Elementor that we are using here, video pop-up a widget is not available. So what we can do, either we install Sena extension for Elementor, or we can use video player directly here, like this. Okay, and here let's go to full screen mode and percentage. Oh, sorry. Control Z. And padding on the left about 100. Yeah, all 100, I guess. Yeah, something like this. And it would be nice here. One thing we can do here, if we want to save time, we can copy these sections from the home page. Most of the sections here, these all are available in the home page. So let's save as template and we can insert it on the about us page. It will take the time. It will save us time here. Okay, we did with Elementor. And one thing we can try, copy this, paste it here. Okay, we can copy the column from the other page here, like that. And here in this column we can insert margin to the left about 100, like this. Okay, and about winning exterior design, then yeah, here this is just few icons about award winning or blah blah blah. Instead we can also use the plugin like button like this. Same, we can just skip this. Then here we can copy this section and paste it here. Okay, and object layout, can delete this and let's use text editor instead. Justified. Okay, increase the size 100. Okay, and copy this, paste style. Oh, not working. Sorry, control Z, copy this, paste style. Okay, good. And object drawing, copy this, paste it here, delete this. Okay, copy this, paste style. Completed work. Okay, so copy this, paste style, copy this, paste style. Yeah, here little different from the home page. Background color is given to the center. Okay, and next is our trim section. It is even more easier. let's copy this section, okay, and paste it here. Okay, delete this column. And our dim okay, we can also add padding, right side padding about 50%, okay, like this, and delete this widget. Instead, let's insert dim members widget from LabMesh add-on for Elementor. Okay, okay, and if it is more than 3, we can also add like this. Yeah. Okay, and then we'll display only 3, and for the social links is available here. Yeah, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Yeah, social icon links are displayed here. Same for here, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest. Okay, link for the profile link. Okay, like this, and setting style to I do not maybe you can try this style if you like. I want to save space, so yeah, this is more space saving. Image pool or smaller. Great carousel, yeah, carousel is also good. For it is good if it is more than 3 team members. Carousel style is good, so have something like this. Okay, and style general member title, member position, social icons, we can change color or leave it by default. What I really want to change is color of this navigation button, but it is not available. Maybe available in the pro version, but it is not available in the free version. Oh, it's okay too, it is fine, it looks good. Let's add padding a little, about 40 pixels at the top, like this. Okay, it's good. Then frequently asked questions. Okay, duplicate this section. About putting it 100 at the top, 100 at the bottom. Oh, what happened? It is percentage. Okay, pixel, it should be pixel. 100 at the top, 100 at the bottom. Okay, here popular questions or frequently asked questions. Delete this widget, delete this widget too, and insert a new column to the right, and here from here we can copy this widget, copy this widget and paste it here. Okay, change the image if you want, then FAQ not available. So in the lab mesh add-ons for Elementor, post slider, procedure clients, services, odometers, heading, pie charts, testimonials, accordion. So we have to use default accordion or toggle widget. So accordion widget. Okay, icon to the right side, icon change the image to icon and change to here to this, and style icon position to the right side. Okay, like this, and here. What is usually needed for the project? What is the cost of a project or something like this? How much time it takes to design like this. Okay, and style border. Okay, that's it. Did it. Now we are done for our space. This lab mesh add-on for Elementor is little limited for the single individual widgets. For combo widgets it is good, so I think in the next video series let's combine China extension for Elementor and this lab mesh add-ons for Elementor. One more plugin, but the combination will be good. Let's try in the next video series, but for this video series let's try with this available widgets. Okay, and I hope this video is helpful to you. Let's continue design this website, WordPress website, in the next video, and see you in the next video. Meanwhile, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video.